Welcome, in front of me is a Honor 8, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. Now to get started, simply pull down the notification panel and look for the power saving, or in here it looks like we get straight away the ultra battery saver. Now once you enable this, it will enable the super aggressive power saving mode. As you can see, removes battery, or not battery, but removes wallpaper. Also, it removes a lot of application, gives you a fairly limited access to a lot of things. Now to leave this, all you need to do is simply click right over here to exit. There should be also another power saving mode in the settings, so let's open that up and see if we can find it under, yes, more, nope. Oh, there we go, battery. So in here we have the ultra power saving mode, which is the one that I just showed you, but we also have the normal one. Now as you can see, the normal doesn't really give much, only 3 hours, even less than 3 hours. So with right now with the 59%, we apparently are sitting at 27 and a little bit over half an hour more. If we enable this one, we jump to 30 hours and 20 minutes, but with the ultra power saving mode, well, we multiply those numbers basically. So ultra power saving mode, 116, almost closer to 117 hours in this mode. Now the normal power saving mode will do only like a couple things, like limit the background activity, disconnect you from things like mobile network and Wi-Fi when the phone is not being used, and that's basically all the notable things. I believe it might also drop a little bit of the brightness down, but those are all things that it can deal with. While the ultra power saving mode is super aggressive, but it also gives you well, ridiculous more extended battery life. So choose whichever one you need for the situation. And just as before, you simply need to turn the toggle on. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.